Imagine yourself in this 2012 Chrysler 200 Lucis. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine immobilizer, passenger vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, traction control, steel wheels, cruise control, and front reading lamps. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.